pods. Right now we service kindergarten all the way through 5th grade, but we have very few 5th graders, and we have quite a few of our younger kindergarten and 1st graders. Our younger kiddos tend to like coming outside first, which is awesome, so they kind of get all of their energy out. They play on the small playground. They love Gaga Ball.
We have to throw the ball, and if it touches someone's feet, then they're out. If you hit it 2 times or you hit it 2 hands, you're still out. Stuck together, and then we found a volcano rock.
Then they come back inside and we sit down and have a really nice snack. We throw in some music. We start doing crafts and different games.
We're making hand-shaped flowers. We're actually going to put a card on here. Love, I love you, Mom.
Then it's kind of like up to them. If they want to design their day, they can come back outside if they're still feeling it. They can stay inside.
We're making a fish. I'm gonna like this. Over here you can do puzzles and read books. Here's the bookshelf where you can pick a lot of books out. You have to try to get it in that one, and then you have to try and get it in that one, and then this one, and that's how you still have some fun. There's sleep paper.
Can we what? Yes.
And we have markers up here.
Find something at your desk.
And there's up here toys that you can play with. Books to do.
Sorry.
And there's crafts to do. Like this fish, we can only do it today. And this is our artwork.